So, what's your experience with Yacht Controller?
Hi, my name's Tony, Captain Tony. I've been driving did this type of boat, Riva, for a long time, and I've been using the Yacht Controller for over 7 years now. It started off with the original version, slowly moved on to the next ones, but without that, it's it makes life so much more easier to dock the boat and everything. Just to be able to not hit the dock, and you'll be able to see everything. Or at night, or it's raining or something, you have low visibility. I found it really easy to have that. It's very helpful.
Would you say that it's been a good experience so far?
Oh yeah, it's necessary, especially when I run a boat with a short crew. It's just me and a stew, and then it makes it a lot easier for docking purposes.